Hi everyone! So today we're gonna draw Sobble from Pokemon Sword and Shield. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. So first we're gonna draw an oval for his head. And then we're gonna draw another oval inside of this big oval in a vertical direction. And then we're gonna draw another oval inside of that oval. I'm gonna make it closer to the right side. And then we're gonna draw another oval inside of that oval. And then we're gonna draw a circle up above at the left side of here. And then we're gonna repeat these three ovals and a circle to the right side. Allow some distance between the eye. And closer to the middle. And then another oval. And then I'm gonna draw from the middle point of the left eye here. I'm gonna draw a curved line upwards towards the middle, like that, and repeat that to the right side. And then below the eye, for the left eye, below of the left eye, on the left side of the eye, I'm gonna draw another small oval and repeat that to the right side. So for the mouth, I'm gonna draw a tilted oval. So we're gonna start at this point over here and draw an oval, but it's tilted like that. And then I'm gonna draw a curved line inside for the tongue. Yep. And then for the nose, I'm gonna just draw two dots in between the eyes, here, here, and here. And then on top of the head, we are gonna draw the antenna, or I don't know what it's called, on top of the head. So we're gonna draw a curve upwards like that, and then we're gonna continue from that point. We're gonna curve outwards and back in, down, and then we're gonna go out again like that, then back in and back to the head. And then we're gonna draw another curve here, upwards again, and make it meet up here. Okay? And then I'm gonna move towards the hands now. So from the left side of the head, I'm gonna draw a line, curved line downwards like this. And then inside from this point, I'm gonna draw an identical line downwards as well, like that. And then for the fingers, we're gonna draw a line like that and curve and back in. And then same goes to the other finger, going out, in, and join that up. For the right hand, we're gonna draw. I'm gonna repeat that again. That step and curve line, and then another curve line inside. From that point, we're gonna draw another curve line inside, and then repeat that again and draw inward again. And then for his legs and his main body, I'm gonna draw from his below his arm here. From this point, I'm going to draw a short line downwards, a curved short line like that. And then I'm gonna draw another line, short line, and then from this point I'm gonna go out and make a semicircle for his knees like that, and go back in and stop there. So from that point I'm gonna do something similar to the hand. I'm gonna make a curved line outwards and then turn back in and stop at the hand. And then the back part of that leg, and then a curve down there. And then I'm gonna draw the right leg. I'm gonna repeat the left leg on the right one. The knees go inwards and curve in, stop there. And then a little bit inside, I'm going to draw another line similar to that. And then for the foot, you're going to just repeat the left foot like that, and there. So for the tail, I'm gonna draw a spiral from his back here, in between this line here. So I'm gonna draw a spiral going to the back and turn back like that. Then we're gonna draw a similar curve at this point and make it meet at the legs. And then below the oval under the eye, I'm gonna draw a line to close that part here in the middle here and going downwards like that, and repeat that for the right side. And then below the neck, I'm gonna draw a semicircle from this left point over here, going downwards and go back up and meet at the right point. So that's it for my tutorial to draw Sobble from Pokemon Sword and Shield. And that's it for our tutorial today, and I hope you guys find it helpful and enjoy my tutorial, and hope to see you guys soon. Oh, before that, make sure you like and subscribe onto my channel for the future videos, and probably comment down below for any requests or suggestions. That's all for now. See you guys soon. Bye.